In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion calendar into Notion. To start, open the Notion page where you want to add a calendar. You can either use an existing page or create a new one, depending on what works best for you. If you're creating a new page, give it a name that reflects its purpose, such as Task Planner, Project Calendar, or any title that helps you stay organized. Once your page is ready, click anywhere on the page to bring up the content options. Next, type /calendar into the page. As you start typing, Notion will show you a few options. Select the one that says Calendar View. Instantly, a fully functional calendar will appear right on your page. This calendar is interactive, making it easy to keep track of your tasks, appointments, and deadlines all in one place. You can adjust the view, filter entries, or even link it to other databases later if you want to get more advanced. Now, to add a task or event, click the plus sign on any date within the calendar. This opens a small pop-up where you can create the name of your task. Choose a clear and descriptive title so you can quickly identify the task at a glance. For example, instead of writing meeting, you might write team meeting at 3 p.m. to make it more specific. After naming your task, you have the option to add comments. This is useful if you want to include additional notes, details, or instructions related to the task. You can also add properties such as tags, priorities, or checkboxes, depending on what information you want to track. Once you've added all the relevant details, simply click outside the pop-up, and your task is saved to the calendar. And that's it. Your Notion calendar is now set up, fully interactive, and ready to help you organize your schedule. You can continue adding tasks, updating details, and customizing properties as your planning needs evolve. This simple process allows you to visually manage your projects and deadlines, keeping everything in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.